Hey everybody, it's Darren W. Carter of Carter's Barbecue, and today's Tuesday tip, we're going to be seasoning our grill. Have my Char-Griller AKORN back here, and this is one of 3 others that I'm going to have to season, but you can do this with any grill, especially if you buy it new and or you've cooked on it for a while and or you start to cook on it because we're coming into the grilling season for those of us that take seasons off. So stay with me and we'll be right back, and we're going to start to season this grill. Before I wash my grates, now this is an option for some people. I like to do it a more of a 3-step process instead of 2. But the first process is to get all the gook and all the old food and everything that's on there. You want to put a chimney's worth of charcoal in there, get it to 500 degrees or so. Keep the fire up, close your lid, and let it burn off all the excess. Basically, it's acting like your self-cleaning oven, and that will burn off all the residue. From that point, I like to, before I go into seasoning, to wash my racks. So that's what I'm about to do now. And one more tip for you. If you don't have, using the metal bristles to clean off your grates, they can be kind of dangerous. A good substitute for that, I found out, is some foil, just some balled up foil. So that's what I'm going to do as well to wash these grates. So let's get into that. Okay, so they have been washed and dried. Now, what I like to use is bacon grease. You can use olive oil. If you still have Crisco in your home, you could use that, or even a canola or vegetable oil spray. Either way, you just want to make sure that you coat your grates real good. So let's get into it. All right, they're all doused and greased up, for lack of a better term. And just in case you were wondering, yes, I do keep my bacon grease for such a times as these. That bucket is used specifically just for seasoning my grills and my grates. All right, let's get a chimney started and finish this up.
Yeah, boy.
All right, good job.
Yeah, good job.
So my coals are in, and as you can see, because of the grease, it is firing up pretty good. About to close up the lid. Keep this open so I can get some good draft as well as this right here. And we are good to go. So in about an hour or two, I'm going to let this get up to about 500 degrees, settle it out, and then let the coals burn out. And I may at an hour and a half even spray it just a little bit more. But now it's in the process of seasoning. So it's been a few hours, and still holding a couple hours, near a couple hours, and still holding about 500. If we take a quick look here, it's still smoking. It's getting this thing done, so I'm going to let these coals burn out. And I didn't tell you, I did also season the inside of the pit here and the inside of the hood as well. So I'm going to let this burn out, and at that point we are done with the seasoning process. So hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know. So that's it, man. Again, it's pretty simple, but you want to make sure that you burn off all the oil residue. Like I said before, there's an option to washing it. I like to, preferably. But then again, when you put your oils on, whether it's like I use bacon grease, or there's olive oil, or it's even just a cooking spray, a canola type cooking spray, just make sure you keep the temperature up for a long enough period of time to season your grill. And then you're good. You're good for the whole you're good for a while. How about that? So thanks for tuning in. Down in the bottom here, check out my other social sites, subscribe, join, follow, all that kind of wonderful stuff. And until the next Test Kitchen Tuesday and or Tip Tuesday, I'll see you soon.